Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Harley-Davidson DYNA Y-Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 27,764 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire is at 3/32 seconds, and we have installed the new rear tire. We took this bike on a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the engine case, a paint chip on the fuel tank, and a paint blemish on the fender rails. This bike has one key and one fob. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with a Vans & Hines slip-on muffler, Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, 10-inch handlebars, a sundowner seat, docking hardware, switchblade rider foot pegs, a plate relocation kit, aftermarket grips, an LED headlight, and LED rear turn signals. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.